Hi, these are some directions for our in-class students. I have already prepared a glove filled with Crisco in the finger. Crisco is a vegetable oil that will act like blubber. You will first dip your one finger into the cup of ice water and see how long you can leave it in there. It gets cold pretty fast. Next, you're going to carefully open the 2 layers of gloves that are folded like this, and you'll put your hand in. Put your finger in gently to the finger that has the Crisco, and use your other hand to kind of squish it around and make sure it's evenly spread. It is between 2 layers of gloves, so it will not get on your finger or get you messy. Once you have it spread evenly around your finger, then you can dip it in your cup of ice water and see how long it takes before this finger gets cold. I bet this one will be able to stay in the water longer than the finger without it. I can't wait to find out what you guys discover with this. Have fun, and goodbye until next time.